Okay, all right. I have my Google Sheet here, and you can see this very big, all right, text up here, okay, which read how to create bullet points in Google Sheet. So that basically is the question that was posed to me, and you will notice over here, all right, I have created some bullet points. Okay, I'm not sure why there is a need, but here is how to do it basically. All right, so if I were to just click into here, you will realize that it is not actually a bullet point. Well, it is a bullet point, but it is not created the same way as we would create in some other application. Instead, I'm using the equal character, right? Character, and I'm using the character function to call out the bullet point symbol, right? Which actually is 9679. All right, so after I type in this, just hit enter, it will convert itself to something that looks like a bullet point. Okay, so maybe one day Google will probably put in this feature, but until then, this is a workaround that you can work with. All right, so I hope that basically solve this problem.